Just saw this ad and bought this Aquoxis. It's supposed to be so powerful I can get rid of my pressure washer. Finally, I hate that thing. Let's see just how powerful it is.
Check out this powerful nozzle. Let's see what it can do. Whoa, it's making a hole. Oh no, the whole wall is coming down. The house is crumbling. It's too powerful.
I mean, come on. The front is plastic with a piece of metal. This bar is metal. And this is all plastic here. But can this thing really replace a power washer? You know, the AI in the YouTube ad is pretty darn convincing. I mean, look at this thing. It looks great. Looks like it's going to be a miracle solution with no motor, no electricity. I mean, they do a good job on the AI sell. So you pick this thing up, you can order it online, 50% off, and $82 with the hose connectors that you don't need, so leave those alone. I did see it for $13 at Walmart. But there's no way this $13 marvel of engineering can be real, or can it? Anyway, we get the package. It looks pretty impressive. I mean, it's a nice box. It's shrink wrapped. Not as big as the box you see in the YouTube ad, but whatever. Open it up, and there it is. I mean, it looks like just like it looks like in the commercial. Now, that piece on the front is plastic, it looks like, and that's all, handle's all plastic too. The only thing that's metal is that tube there, and I think there's a piece of brass inside the plastic nozzle itself. So whatever, let's put it together and see what it can do on this terrible stain that's really been beating us up for about a year. It was just a pain in the butt to pull the pressure washer out. You know how it is, and
Nope. That is as strong as it gets.
Fail.
Fail.
So it was time to pull out our Craftsman old faithful power washer and see if this can get rid of this stain. Maybe the stain's there permanently. Maybe no power washer can take this up, but it's not the case. The power washer took it up with no soap, as a matter of fact, with just plain water. Anywho, we did ask for a return and a refund. Good news is they did refund our money, less the shipping and handling. So this thing cost us $9, which gave me just enough money to invest in this new plasma sprinkler attachment. Uh-oh, hope the home insurance covers this.